Hey guys, I'm Sanon, the other person of the gaming bros. I almost forgot the name. Okay, so this is my fidget spinner. And then I have my fidget cubes here. I'm pretty sure like literally everybody knows that. And then there's these things you play with. And then there's this side you go like that and like rub your finger. And then there's the switch. And then, wait, no, and then that side, and then there's this thing. And then there's also, these. So, and then there's this fidget spinner, which is like amazing. Whoa, it looks crazy in the sun. Oh wow, that looks cool on the camera. Whoa, in the sun it looks crazy. What the heck? Oh, I almost did it. And probably for our next video, we're gonna be making a video on my trampoline too. Fidget spinners are what? Do you hear that? Mine's like super loud. And here we go to Hayes.
Back from Sinan's video. Okay, here's my fidget spinner right here. His is like way louder. Like, listen to mine. You can't hear it really. So, yeah. I can't really do tricks on it. I don't have a fidget cube though, but I have another one of these fidget spinners. I might give away to one of you guys. And I'll put in the description of this video how to get it. And yeah, my other one's coming in like a week or so. So this giveaway is gonna go on for like a month, like a few weeks. I'll tell you when it ends. I'll think about it. I'm gonna be starting this on Friday, this Friday, which would be the 21st or 22nd, I think, pretty sure. So that's probably gonna be when this thing starts. So yeah. Let's see.